Rosewill is proud to introduce its sleek and sophisticated electric standing desk. Automatically raise and lower the desk frame with smooth and silent height adjustments through the push of a button. Its dual silent motors ensure a smooth sit-to-stand transition. Its advanced technology control module will automatically activate the power-saving sleep mode during inactivity. Simply press and hold M key for 3 to 4 seconds until the control unit unlocks. Customize your tabletop to match office or home decor, from solid to compressed wood and countless color options. When you need to relocate the desk, just make sure you preserve desk structure and stability by always lifting with side brackets, not the tabletop. The control module allows you to save up to 3 height settings to quickly switch between sit-to-stand modes, making the transition a smooth and simple action. Memory settings save you time, so you can quickly resume working at your favorite sitting or standing height. The timer function lets you know when to adjust your working position. Modifying habits from sitting to standing may reduce back pain, improve your mood, and increase productivity. Feel better and get more done while using your PC. It's time to make the switch. Upgrade to ergonomics.